love Le Creuset pots. I have big ones and tiny ones. And without question, my favorite one is the signature round 3.5 quart or 22. And there are so many reasons to love these pots. But I want to start off with a real key reason, and that is that they have a lifetime guarantee. And this one, which I have had for almost 20 years, I just destroyed. Let me show you. I had it running without anything in it. I actually managed to destroy the ceramic exterior. Now this pot has been used for so long that it was well worth it even without the lifetime guarantee, but I reached out to Le Creuset and they sent me another one for free. Let me show you. They sent me this one. Now it's not the same color because this color no longer exists, and if you are collecting Le Creuset, keep that in mind. The colors change, so as you can see, my colors do not match. This is actually a very old family heirloom version. So this is how the new ones come. This is the Marseille blue, and it is truly gorgeous. And here is the brand new pot to replace the one I destroyed. And it is so beautiful. Now these pots have a lifetime guarantee because they're extremely durable, and it takes a lot to destroy one. They can be used on induction ovens, stovetop, and for baking. And what I love using the most for are dishes where I'm cooking on the stovetop and moving to baking or vice versa. They work so well for that. They can retain heat for a long time, and they cook very evenly. Even if you have an uneven cook surface, the bottom is so thick that it will induct the heat evenly throughout the whole thing, so what you're cooking will cook evenly. I use this smaller pot for almost everything. I will make soups in it, I do roasts and sautés in it, and I also just use it as a basic pasta pot. It is a great size for my family of 4 to boil a lot of water, especially if I'm doing something like spaghetti. Works really well for that. It truly is one of a kind. There is a reason why Le Creuset is such a beloved brand. And if you are considering getting one, know that the lifetime guarantee is real. I did not need a receipt. All I did was send pictures, and I got this within a week. That is incredible customer service, and what a treat. I was clearly already loyal to Le Creuset, but because of this incredible customer service, I am loyal for life. I love Le Creuset, and I know you will as well.